Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're on the floor and I have something really exciting to film with you guys. I am, and I always have been, and I will always try to be an artist that supports other artists and buys from other people. I love supporting other artists. There's gonna be a lot of clapping in this one. Today I am going to be using a mold that was made by a friend of mine on Instagram. Well, I mean, we're Instagram friends. We're not like friends in real life. Does that make any sense? Anyway, he's amazing at making molds for resin, and I feel like if you've been following me on Instagram a lot before, I think I may have mentioned his name on my channel as well, but it is Philip.Danner on Instagram. I don't think he has a YouTube channel or anything, but I feel like he should because it would be really cool. I asked for him to make, well actually, let me like backpedal a little bit and explain. So he makes silicone molds and they're amazing. This guy is super cool. I think his wife makes resin pieces as well. I think he does too, but I feel like she makes resin art and he makes molds, and that is like a power couple. I wish I could get Sean to start making silicone molds. But yeah, so anyway, he made a mold that was in the shape of, I believe it was Ohio, and I was like, I need a mold of New Hampshire, because if you did not know, that is where I live. I live in New Hampshire, the Granite State. I was like, the great what? The Granite State, live free or die. And yeah, so I asked him if he could make me a mold of New Hampshire, and I'm super excited to make something with this. I would show you right now. Actually, I did take a little clip of it to show you how shiny it is. It is beautiful. Yeah, I'm super excited. So we are going to jump right in. I'm going to be preserving some flowers in this mold. I haven't decided if I want to do alcohol ink or not, or if I want to do something else funky. I'm not sure, but we will probably decide when the time comes, because that is my style. Last second, don't plan anything. That's how things fail, and that's how I don't have a video for the entire week, and that's that. So let's get started on preserving some flowers in this New Hampshire mold. Actually, I wanted to ask you guys, leave me a comment down below where you live. Is that a weird thing to ask? I just think it would be kind of cool to like talk about where we're all from, you know? And yeah, so let me know where you guys live, and if you actually live in New Hampshire, hi. Okay, so let's jump into making something with this super cool mold. I almost said mode. Let's jump in. we're getting vloggy with it right now because I want you guys to see how truly beautiful this is. Now, I want to explain why I mixed in white alcohol ink, because I know you guys might be wondering why I did that. It's actually a trick that I learned from Philip.Danner. So I thought that it would be perfect timing to try this out. He actually does it like, makes it like really cool, like smoky, like, oh my god, it's amazing what he does with the white alcohol ink. So you just mix it right into the resin, and then you can do like all kinds of different things with it. But I kind of wanted a whole like cover on the back, and then I decided I wanted to go in with some CounterCultureDIY glitter. It's new, it's amazing, highly recommend. They have like the prettiest glitters. They're amazing. So yeah, I mixed some of those in. I mixed like a pink one, I'm sure you guys saw, but like a pink one, and then a more like iridescent, like green blue one. You guys, I wonder if this is gonna be my favorite thing I've ever made. It just looks stunning already. Like, I cannot wait to pop this out tomorrow. I'm gonna pan over it in a second so you guys can see like the true glitter, because like high above, you know, it's hard to see, but without further ado.
I mean, I feel like you could just be like, hey guys, just wanted to, like, this is the first thing I've made using this mold. So I figured
I'll figure it out. Okay guys, so it is 24 hours later and I have a guest who's never in my videos. Have they ever seen you before?
Not that I'm aware.
Oh no, they did in Goodwill.
Good.
In that video we did when we went to Goodwill and bought stuff to mold.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah, so they met you there. But this is Sean,
Hello.
my boyfriend, my fiance, so fancy. But he's gonna help me unmold this.
Yes.
I want this end, and you can start peeling on that end.
Okay, just go right
just
at
like
it.
peel it away.
Oh, wow, this is super easy.
Yeah, isn't it kind of satisfying?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I think it's ready.
Yeah. How do we reveal?
Let me see it, let me see it. Holy shit.
What?
It's amazing.
Is it?
Yes.
I like that you decided to do a, is it opaque back? Like where you can't see through it?
Is opaque clear, or is opaque like really bright colored?
I don't know. I think opaque is a measure of how clear it is.
There, you can kind of see it when I turn like the brightness down a little bit. I'll try to show you in like the sunlight. What do you think?
I think it looks amazing.
For my first one.
Yeah. Yeah, for your first, oh my god.
I love like I like that I did white so that you kind of can't see through it to the back. I always say, like, I call him Philip.Danner. So that's not his like brand or anything, it's just that that's his username on Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so it's called Danner Builds. But yeah, he made me this mold of New Hampshire. I'm so excited. What do you think? I love it so much. The more I look at it, the more I'm like, what the
frick? Yeah, no, I really like it. And it's one of those things where that looks so cool that I'm excited to see what else you do with the mold.
He did such a good job with the mold. I feel like it looks so good. And it came out so shiny, and it peeled away super easy, like no parts sticked.
Yeah.
Sticked?
Stuck.
Stuck, thank you. Thanks. I knew it was wrong.
Resident grammarian.
Huh? Oh my god. I'm gonna give you guys like a close-up shot after this so that you guys can see what it really looks like, because I know it's kind of hard to see like this. Let me know what you guys think of this. I would really like to, I wish maybe someday I will have all the states.
Yes.
that would be amazing and a lot of money.
Yeah.
But it would be amazing.
Yeah.
And I could do like states by request. That would be freaking cool.
Yeah.
But let me know what you guys think of this. I'm so excited to do more colors and stuff. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.
Bye. Do not have free hands.